Welcome to Shabz Travel Guide. Hey, it's Shabz, and welcome to the Travel Guide. Today, I'm taking you on the ultimate solo adventure across the United States, 10 days, 7 cities, and a lifetime of memories. If you've ever dreamed of seeing the best of America, this is your sign to pack your bags. Let's start in New York City, the city that truly never sleeps. For the first 2 days, hit up the Statue of Liberty and Ellis Island, get that classic selfie. Stroll through Central Park in the morning, then marvel at the views from the Empire State Building or top of the Rock. Don't skip Times Square at night, it's wild. Maybe even catch a Broadway show if you want a bit of magic. And hey, try an authentic slice of New York pizza and take a walk across the Brooklyn Bridge. Day 3, jump on a flight or enjoy a scenic train ride down to Washington, D.C. This city is packed with history. Snap a photo at the White House, wander through the Lincoln Memorial, and make sure to stop into a Smithsonian museum, they're free. The National Mall and Capitol are perfect for a leisurely walk and soaking in some American culture. Day 4, let's spice things up, fly south to Orlando, Florida. This is theme park heaven. Take your pick, Walt Disney World or Universal Studios. Pro tip, splurge on an express pass and skip the lines. It's a thrill-packed break in your cross-country adventure. On day 5, head to New Orleans, Louisiana. The vibe here? Absolutely electric. Explore the French Quarter and Bourbon Street. Catch live jazz at Preservation Hall. And dive into Creole food. Think gumbo, jambalaya, and my personal fave, beignets. If you've got time, a steamboat cruise down the Mississippi is unforgettable. Days 6 and 7, Vegas, baby. Fly over to Las Vegas, walk the Strip, check out the themed hotels, and maybe try your luck at a casino or see a magic show. The next morning, take a trip to the Grand Canyon's South Rim. It's one of the world's natural wonders, and trust me, the views will blow you away. Bus, helicopter, or car your call. Day 8, fly to San Francisco and soak in those West Coast vibes. Walk the Golden Gate Bridge, explore Alcatraz Island, book ahead, and chill at Fisherman's Wharf with some clam chowder and a sourdough bowl. Don't miss Lombard Street, the crookedest street in the world. For your grand finale, spend days 9 and 10 in Los Angeles. Snap a photo on the Hollywood Walk of Fame, explore Griffith Observatory, and cruise down Rodeo Drive. Unwind at Santa Monica Pier or Venice Beach, or catch a studio tour if you're into the movie scene. Wrap it all up with a Malibu sunset before heading home. Here are a few rapid-fire tips. Apply for your U.S. tourist visa early. Domestic flights are cheap, use Google Flights or Skyscanner. For stays, try Booking.com or Airbnb. Mix up your meals between classic diners and local spots, and grab a local SIM or eSIM for easy navigation. And that's your 10-day USA itinerary. From dazzling cities to epic landscapes, America truly has a little bit of everything for solo travelers. Which stop are you most pumped for? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Shabz Travel Guide for more adventures. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next one.